so in love with NESHA, this forever. She a keeper and know she can be a diva. I do whatever to please her. My other half, my equal, it come to her, then I'm lethal. Ain't no DOLCE without NESHA. Lord knows that I need you. Can't get my mind off NESHA. No matter where I go, I got my mind on NESHA. This forever, she a keeper. Ain't no DOLCE without NESHA. Lord knows that I need you for real.
What's up, YouTube? What's up, DM Mafia? This your girl NESHA, and I'm back with another banger, y'all. As y'all can tell by the title, you already know what I'm about to do, y'all. It's time for another epic freaking prank, I feel like. So I'm about to do a sneezing on my husband prank. So today is a film day for the kids on the Curry Empire, y'all. So make sure y'all go over there and subscribe, because they got new content dropping. Our project manager is here working with them. So I told Danny, I don't feel like driving, I don't feel good, so ride me up the street real quick. Boom. But the whole time I got a trick on my sleeve. Y'all see this? It look nasty as ever. I put too much water in it, I think, but it don't matter. The better the splat, the better, you know what I'm saying? So basically I'm about to act like I'm sneezing on my husband, y'all, while he is driving, to get his reaction, y'all. He about to go crazy already. This is some sick shit. I will go crazy over this, you know what I'm saying? It's warm still. It's cooling down. It's yeah, y'all, so we about to hurry up. Get it going before he get in here, y'all. And yeah, let's get it, y'all. Make sure y'all spare them comments, tuning in again. Comment down below. Let me know what y'all think about this video, y'all. And yeah, banger time. Let's go. Let's go. I'm about to hide my phone. I don't want that shit on my phone. Waiting on you, taking all day. I just need to go up the street to Walmart right here real quick.
Shut your ass up.
It's gonna take 30 years.
You wanna take 30 years to do shit? Where the gum at? You do a head it?
Where am I getting all that gum you got? How much gum you need?
I'm trying before I shock you right now. I'm telling you right now.
Put my stuff down. Don't play with my stuff. Come on, stop playing.
Well,
you don't want me, Danny.
Let me see what it do now.
It don't do nothing. You know what it do.
What you got, a nigga head in there?
Move before I hit you in your nuts.
Ain't like that over your little shit.
It don't matter. It ain't a toy. You ain't about to sit down and run my thing down there when I need to whoop somebody like you.
You don't even take it in nowhere. Huh?
You don't know what I do. You got a bow for. What do you want? The gum right there.
I'm looking for an open one.
Wait, just open one.
I don't want to open one if it's one open. The fuck? What I like having all of them open.
Well, you don't need none then. Let's go. Come on. Damn.
Shut the yeah.
My stomach hurt.
Your stomach hurt. Duh, you pregnant. Fuck. That shit always hurt.
You know what I mean? It's supposed to hurt all the time.
This teeth, this gum making this shit. Quit making my teeth hurt.
Where you get gum from? I ain't seen no gum in your mouth.
Not gum. What is it called? Them little flavored candies. I don't know what the fuck that is. What's them hard candies? I forgot the name of them. Just when them little kids that they was walking past earlier, waving and shit. Hey.
The kids was?
Yeah.
Where they at?
That's right, all of them right there, for real.
Is that the house? We came this far down?
Was we?
I don't know, that's them though.
Like he is though. Waving.
I thought you had a sneeze, damn. You could. I hate when I get that feeling.
Oh shit, this bitch almost
burning feeling.
Fuck they doing?
Slow down, lane to the house right here for rent time.
Which one?
Shit. Ugh. The fuck is that?
I know you just saying motherfucking sneeze on me. You just sneezed on me? What the fuck is that shit? You got me fucked up, NESHA. I know you just sneezed all on me. You got me.
Oh my god. I need some tissue.
This some nasty ass shit you just did. What the fuck?
I need
what the fuck you sneeze on me? You got the shit all over the car? Fuck.
I need some tissue.
I don't give a fuck about no kid. This shit all on me? Fuck.
Oh my god.
Fuck wrong with you? That's dumb ass shit.
Ain't no white, ain't nothing in here.
Then you got boogers on, big ass boogers on your nose and shit. This is a nasty ass fuck.
Ain't nothing in here.
Get that booger off your nose. I'm telling you right now, I'm about to flip the fuck out. Why would you sneeze all this shit on me? All this shit on me. This shit touching my skin and my neck. About to get mad as fuck. Stupid ass. This shit all on my skin and my arm and shit.
Go home. Take me home.
I just got a full blown headache. I'm mad as fuck.
I got a headache.
Tell you right now.
I had to sneeze. It burned.
This shit all on my neck, man. I can't even. What's the point of you sneezing? On me?
What do you mean? I didn't mean.
What's the whole point of you sneezing?
I covered my mouth. I didn't know all that shit was about to come out.
Shit don't make sense.
What if that's like the taste and stuff? That's
It don't matter. I don't give a fuck what it is. You sneeze it all on me and all on my neck and all on my skin. What if my skin start fucking up? Cause you did some dumb shit. Fuck.
It's on me too,
I don't give a fuck. You ain't sick.
I must be
So what's the point of all this big ass, thick ass booger snot? I got boogers all on me. I'm telling you right now, I'm about to flip the fuck out. You just doing too much.
What?
Damn.
You act like I did it on purpose. I fucking
You did that shit on purpose. As soon as I turned my head, you sneezed on me.
What?
What?
I just did. I'm like, I felt it burn.
Fuck all that shit. How did she get in you anyway?
I don't know. It's out of me now, so that's a good thing. Uh-oh.
Well, you better not sneeze. I'm telling you right now, my hand gonna do some shit I'm supposed to do. Tell you right now. Fuck. No, go give me a shirt or something, because I'm not about to go in there in front of this project manager with all this shit on me. Go give me a shirt or something.
Like this either.
Come on, because I got a lot of snot on me and I ain't about to walk through this.
They filming, so we can't go in there
NESHA, I'm about to flip out, I'm telling you right now.
What, Danny?
I'm about to flip out, I'm telling you right now.
What do you want?
You about to make me throw up.
I'm about to throw it. This is disgusting. Green ass
Well, what the fuck? What the fuck? Man, what is this? Man, this shit slimy as fuck.
Yo, why you touch it? Here you might as well get the rest. Here you might as well just get the rest.
Watch out! What the fuck is you doing?
It's already on you.
Fuck. Man, that's some nasty ass shit. My neck all slimy and shit. This shit.
This is like everywhere.
Why would you sneeze on me, NESHA? What's the point of sneezing on me? You could have sneezed out the window or something.
The window wasn't down.
Man, get this shit off me. I'm telling you right now, I'm about to get mad as fuck.
I ain't got nothing on me if it's all on you already.
You go in the house. Man, this shit's singing through my shirt. This shit is singing through my...
What the fuck is wrong with me?
I know you just motherfucking sneeze on my arm and get a big ass slimy ass booger on my shit. Get the shit on my arm!
Move, Danny.
Get the shit on my shit right now!
Don't put that on me.
You're about to just get no big ass booger on my shit!
Don't put that on me.
Get the shit off me right now, NESHA. And this bitch slimy as fuck. Get it off me!
Rub it on your
Get
shirt.
It off.
Just take it off. It's already on you.
I'm about to get mad as fuck. Go. I'm telling you right now, I just fuck my hands up. That shit hurt bad as fuck. I'm telling you right now. You go get the shit.
Why would you turn the windshield wipers on?
Shit gonna fuck my hand up.
You made yourself fuck your hand up.
I'm aggravated as fuck. It don't make sense. Can you go do what you gotta do?
What do I gotta do?
You do what you gotta do and go get my shirt?
Do I like your maid?
You should go get my shirt because I'm not about to walk in there with all the snot and shit on me.
Okay, well.
Just embarrassing as fuck. Like that's some embarrassing ass shit.
We're not even supposed to be back this soon. They filming. I'm not about
it don't matter. Go get my shirt.
Like, oh, hi, Steve.
Now I got my hand fucked up now.
Everybody tell you to do that. You ain't who you thought you was.
What you mean? I thought I was who the fuck you thought you was when you got all this shit all on the door, all on the seat. Like what the fuck?
It's on your head and your hair. Oh my god. What the fuck? That's...
You sneeze all this shit on me like this. All on my neck. Like this shit don't make sense, man. I'm about to get mad as fucking. What the fuck is this? I'm about to get mad as fuck.
I'm sorry. What you want me to do? Lick it up? I don't.
Stop playing me talking about lick it up and all that extra dumb shit. What you gonna lick it up for?
That's what I'm saying. Like you just being so.
Go ahead on this. I ain't being dramatic or nothing. You just sneezed all on me. You sneezed all on the seat, and your shit clear as fuck over there. Ain't nothing wrong over there. I'm sticky as fuck right now. With a whole lot of motherfucking boogers and shit on me.
It just was like I felt it burning. I tried to do like.
I got too many boogers and snot on me. Can you get this? You gonna give me a shirt before I flip out? I'm telling you right now. What if my body start breaking off for some shit that you don't know what you get? You said that shit probably from Corona or some shit.
I ain't say it was from Corona.
NESHA, go ahead on. Here you go. Give me a shirt, please.
I'm gonna help you clean it off.
Don't pour none of that water on me. I'm telling you right now.
Why?
Don't pour no water on me. I'm telling you.
I'm about to just help you clean it off. It's all over you.
What the fuck is your problem?
I'm cleaning it off.
What is your problem? Now what if I just...
You don't want me to clean it off?
What if I throw this shit all on you and fuck up your hair you just got done?
I'm cleaning snot off of you. Why the fuck
would you pour all this cold ass water on me? And on my head?
Well, I thought I was helping you. I mean...
What the fuck? This better not be snot on my ear, behind my ear. What is you doing?
I'm putting it back. You don't want my help, so I don't know what to tell you. You just want it to be like that.
Ass shit. You just poured all this water on me and shit. This shit don't make sense.
I'm just cleaning the snot off of you. Like,
how you cleaning the snot off? Can you just go give me a shirt out the house?
When you in the shower, why would you rub it and smash it in? You gotta
go give me a shirt. Or give me your hoodie.
Y'all know I'm on your kid.
Give me a hoodie or something.
I ain't got no shirt on, so...
You about to do something? I'm about to walk in that bitch with my shirt off then. Fuck.
Bye?
Man,
I'm not about to be out here like that.
This shit don't make sense. Like, why does shit look like this?
I don't know.
You need to go get your ass checked so you got some motherfucking... What the fuck is this doing to my shirt? What the fuck is this?
It's something wrong.
You nasty as fuck. What's in you?
I don't know. That's why the metal tastes and smell in me probably. I don't know what it is.
Fuck, this shit all
you should be happy it's coming out. Maybe I can eat.
Don't give a fuck about eating shit. None of that shit. You ain't about to sneeze shit on me. You gotta... Can you please go get me a shirt? You ain't got no snot or nothing, or you can just walk quick through the house and go get me a...
What I look like?
I'm telling you what, we both about to get embarrassed. I'm about to go in that bitch screaming and all type of shit.
And I'm not going with you.
I'm telling you right now.
You're going to be embarrassed because I'm saying right here till you go change and go to the store.
So you going to play your hand like that and just sneeze all on me and then
I didn't mean
think
to.
the shit cool or something?
It's going to have to be cool. I mean, I apologize.
This shit ain't cool at all, Nisha. I got snot all over me. Like, this shit ain't cool. This ain't no pregnancy symptom. This ain't none of that shit. That's some ignorant shit you just did.
You went to the store and you didn't put gas in the car?
No, for gas. Did you? The fuck?
Clearly I didn't.
I'm about to get out of this bitch. I don't give a fuck about nothing.
We about to run out.
I ain't going nowhere.
Well, I go. I go.
Stop playing because I'm telling you right now, you got all this motherfucking snot on me. You know I gotta walk through the house and embarrass.
It's on me.
I'm telling you, I'm about to get mad as fuck. Now that shit all on the seat. Like, what the fuck?
We gotta get the car detailed anyway because the kids did some crazy stuff. So I mean.
Man, you better get this shit together, son. This shit, come on now, because I ain't about to be sitting here or nothing.
You get out the car. You just complain like an old man.
That shit don't make sense. What you mean like an old man when you just sneeze all this shit all over?
Okay, I sneeze. What do you do?
Mom green as fuck. Like, what the fuck is you?
I don't know.
Man in black?
Is you man in black? You saw it. I got a little mom. Let's see what I can make out of this if he come. He might not come back.
You about to get out?
Huh? Oh, shit. It's a prank.
What the fuck you just throw all on in my face? What is that?
Slime and water.
So you just put slime all in my face?
It ain't. Shut up.
You just threw slime all in my face?
The camera on. It's a prank.
Don't give a fuck about none of that. You want my whole face about to fuck up now. You ain't know what's in that shit?
You so.
This don't make sense.
You get on my nerves. You complain about everything. Now you complain about the slime. He's so annoying, y'all. First it was the snot. Now it's the slime. All right. Yeah, we just accomplished that burger. Bang. I'm hungry. I said burger. Alright, y'all. Spam them comments to me again. Comment down below and let me know what y'all thought about this video. And yeah, we got this reaction and that was a banger.